Hello, my name is Leah Pedicone and I am a senior at Eastern Kentucky University. I'm currently working on my degree in Homeland Security and Emergency Management. I'm applying for the CBRN technician position with federal resources. My current job, I work as a physical science technician at the Bluegrass Chemical Activity in Richmond, Kentucky. It is the last chemical agent munition stockpile in the United States. There I operate the Agilent gas chromatogram, also known as a GC, to collect, maintain, and analyze depot area air monitoring systems that are run on the igloos that store the chemical agents. I also maintain, troubleshoot, repair, and calibrate the GCs in the toxichemical laboratory. I have been trained by Agilent on the GCs, and I've also had training on the minicams. They're also a different type of GC that we use for monitoring real-time monitoring on the igloos. We conduct daily and weekly monitoring, and we also monitor prior and during a crew working inside of an igloo. I conduct chemical bleach analysis. I test and clear potential instruments or items of contamination down to the general public limits, and I also maintain the CASARM Dilute Chemical Agent Standards program. I am also currently serving in the Kentucky National Guard. I have been serving for 20 years in the Army, where I am a chemical warrant officer and my position is the executive officer. I also hold the position as the decon safety officer for the SURF-P mission. I provide in-depth technical expertise in the areas of CBRN defense, where I plan, coordinate, and direct CBRN operations and training to include CBRN vulnerability assessment, multispectral obscuration, sensitive site exploitation and assessment, CBRN reconnaissance, CBRN decontamination, CBRN force protection, combating weapons of mass destruction, which includes non-proliferation, counter-proliferation, consequence management, and identification of hazardous materials and defense support to civil authorities. The certifications I currently have is the IFSAC Hazardous Material Technician 2, the Advanced Radiation Safety Officer, and Level 2 certifications in the Defense Support to Civil Authorities. I also have completed training in FEMA 100, 200, 700, and 800. My previous job I had was working as a scientist with KD Analytical, where we provided up to Tier Level 3 support and repair and 24-hour tech support on analytical instruments. The chemical detection instruments we supported included the HAPSITE ER in Shimatsu, Hazmat ID 360, the Illuminator IR2, the First Defender and First Defender RX, the True Defender, the Gas ID, the JCAD, RAID M, M22 Akata, and ICAM. Radiological detection equipment that we serviced includes the RAID M, ANVDR 13 and 14, ANVDR 2, the Identifinder and Identifinder 2. For multi-gas detection, we serviced Area Rays and Area Ray Pros, the Multi-Ray Plus and Multi-Ray Pro, and then for biological detection equipment, we serviced the SAS, JBAID, and HAA readers. I also provided on-site support for repairs and training for evaluations or real-world events such as the presidential inauguration, the Pope visit, NATO conferences, and other events such as Super Bowls and Sturgis. I also traveled to the teams to conduct on-site analytical laboratory system baselines and conducted glove box recertifications and repairs. The main contract holder that I worked with was the National Guard Bureau, specifically servicing the civil support teams and CBRN Emergency Response Force package. I also was an instructor on classes to include the RAID-M Operators course, the Basic Survey course, the Dismounted Suits, Kits, and Overboots, SURF-P Academy, Race System Train the Trainer, and Draeger Questar 5000 course. I feel that my past employment experience, both in the civilian sector and the military sector, has groomed me for such a position as a CBRN technician. I work well with others, I am trainable and need little supervision to complete a task once been told. I think I would be an added asset to your team. Thank you for your time and consideration for this opportunity to apply for this job. I look forward to hearing from you in the near future.